Well, g'day and welcome back. As the video title suggests, dealing with a bit of rust, a bit of human rust. So back in when I went down to the expo, or the Australian Manufacturing Week in Melbourne, the week of that I noticed a lump under my right armpit, and lucky enough I had to get in to see the doctor that week, so I told him about it and he sort of said, shit, that's pretty serious, that's not good. So went down to the Australian Manufacturing Week, and living in a rural area doesn't do you any favours when it comes to medical. Had to wait a fair while to get biopsies. Certainly hasn't been a cheap exercise, I can tell you that. You know, $800 biopsies, $500 tests here and there. That's life. So what we're facing at this stage is some type of lymphoma cancer. So today is Wednesday. Last Friday I was seeing a doctor that comes from Canberra down to the Bega Hospital, the cancer doctor. And she turned around and said, get home, pack your bags, get to Canberra Hospital ASAP, and that's where you're going to be staying for a while. So that was at 3 o'clock Friday afternoon. Bit of higgle and jiggly. My young fella, he knocked off work because the wife can't drive because she takes seizures. So in the car, and I was laying in the hospital bed by 9:30 that night, and that's where I've been. So I've had an operation on Monday, and they pulled out a lump out of my right armpit about the size of a lime, one of the lymph nodes. So technically we're still waiting for the results to return for that. Yeah, as you can see, I'm fucking all plumbed up. I've got shit going everywhere all over me. But that's life. So as far as Matty's workshop goes, she's been put on hold for a few weeks, months, don't know. Dare say I'm going to have to start doing chemo and radiation to try and kick this thing in the arse. I've got no hair to start with, so that's a bonus. But in no way is this video a sympathy trip, so don't take it as a sympathy trip. This is just real life shit that goes on in my life. I was fine one week, up to shit the next, and to be quite honest with you, I've been feeling good as gold, all bar this lump that's been growing under my arm. In the last week prior to coming up to the hospital here, I had been having a bit of a nap in the afternoons, been getting a bit doggy, and off my appetite, so I hadn't been eating at all. But yeah, sort of getting real tired in the afternoons, go for a nana nap, and yeah, back into it again. But apart from that, I'm still feeling good as gold. Still feeling alright here in the hospital. A bit sore under the arm, but they cut me open, and I'm dragging around a drain everywhere I go. But I'll throw a photo in here somewhere of, hopefully, I'm trying to edit this on my phone. Yeah, I just wanted to put this video out so you guys know why there hasn't been a video for the last week or two, because yeah, the first week I never had a video out. I was doggy. Just couldn't sort of get into it, but yeah, but there won't be a video out for a couple of weeks, I'd say, unless there's a miracle and I come good and I can get up it and back on the machines and get some shit going on. But anyway, that's life, and just got to deal with it day by day. But if you guys want to see, once I start these treatments and that, if you want to see what happens, yell out and I can do my best to film it. So, because dare say there's someone else in the world going through this, well, guaranteed there's someone else in the world going through this same thing. And there's probably Well, I've looked up a bit and there's not much information, like straight to the point shit that this is what's happening, son. But yeah, if you just want to see it, yell out and I'll do my best to film it. But I will say the nurses I've got here and the doctors, absolutely incredible. Yeah, they're worth their weight in gold. So, righto guys, thanks for watching, and please just keep watching the videos, and if you just keep watching, it just keeps a couple of dollars rolling in with the YouTube revenue, so which has been a massive help getting up here and getting this sorted out, and because yeah, paying for the missus' accommodation and all that sort of crap, it adds up. Thanks guys, see you later.